Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You're very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Free crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's joint the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Now, this is a beautiful piece written by Subramanyam Bharti. Bharti was a Tamil writer, poet, journalist, Indian independence activist, and a social reformer from Tamil Nadu. His numerous works included fiery songs kindling patriotism during the Indian independence movement. His poem, Wind, is an inspiring poem that urges the readers to shake off the stupor and all forms of weakness and face challenges of life. Bharti uses the metaphor of the wind to remind us that difficulties are inevitable and challenging. The energy of the wind creates chaos and can be intimidating. Bharti urges the reader to be strong. The wind winnows out the weak from the strong and crushes the former. Instead of running away from the wind, we must build stronger homes. Similarly, we should make ourselves stronger physically and mentally. We should grow stronger with every challenge and be friends with the wind rather than hide from him. This is the message which the poet is trying to convey through his beautiful piece. We will also come across many literary devices in this poem. You will find here the rhyme scheme. Now this entire poem is written in free verse. There is no rhyme scheme in this poem. The literary devices used are anaphora, personification, there is repetition, there is alliteration, and finally symbolism. What is anaphora? Anaphora is when a word is repeated at the start of two or more consecutive lines. It is the device of anaphora. So, in the beginning, it is don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down. So, this is an example of anaphora. And of course, there is personification. Wind has been personified, it has been given the power of destroying something. When the poet says you are, he is referring to wind as you. That means he is treating wind as a person. There is repetition, of course. So many times the poet has used crumbling, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, and crumbling hearts. The poet wants to say that the wind crushes everything that is weak. That is why he repeats the word crumbling. So he's creating a kind of force in this crumbling word, force of the wind. Of course, there is alliteration, wind winnows. So you can find here W and W. So repetition of a consonant sound. And finally, there is symbolism. Symbolism means that the thing refers to some other thing. Wind is a symbol. It refers to the challenges in life. He is using wind as a symbol for the adversities in our life. Of course, he has used comparison. Wind has been compared here. So we will study in detail the poem in the next class. So till then, bye.